I can share my experience. He show me your vlog.
Thank you.
2 or 3 times, and I like it.
Thank you. Did you hear that? The president said he likes my vlog.
Momen Jokowi berpidato di Australia dan diketahui tamu yang hadir.
Aware that for some time now, the center of gravity of world economy has been moving from Atlantic to the Pacific. The highest rates of economic growth are now to be found in the Asia Pacific. And
Sungguh memalukan punya pemimpin seperti ini. Dia baca teks saja tapi masih salah cara nyebutnya.
it is Asia. Ladies and gentlemen, I would hereby like to officially nominate as the invention of the century, the selfie.
Kira-kira di mana kalau dia berpidato tanpa teks?
It has now
Walk the talk, not online.
Tok, detok.
Artinya apa, Pak?
Ya enggak tahu kok tanya saya.
Victory of independence and nationalism is certain. Still, and mark my words well, the dying imperialism is dangerous.
Perpetrated in the name of Islam, which in any circumstances cannot be justified, would have been resolved.
We can hopefully end the cycle of violence, hatred, fear and humiliation that has made so many conflicts.
In peace, recognition must mean a real chance towards lasting peace. It must be a real peace for all sides.
we walk the talk, not only talk the talk.
Dari beberapa presiden, menurut kalian siapa yang paling tidak mahir dan tidak fasih berbahasa Inggris? Bahkan dibantu dengan teks juga masih salah dan berlepotan.
Fall into another Cold War, not only for our people, but also for the people of the world. Being responsible means respecting international laws.
The selfie has changed the world. It has now evolved into the Wi-Fi.
Good occasion, allow me to introduce the President-elect of Indonesia, Prabowo Subianto, who is currently serving as the Minister of Defense, who will continue Indonesia's commitment to contribute toward world water management.
Tentu kalian sudah melihat bagaimana Presiden Prabowo pidato di PBB sangat lantang, sampai gebrak meja dan lancar menggunakan bahasa Inggris yang beliau kuasai. Bahkan Prabowo dapat berbagai pujian dari negara lain.
Sons and daughters to help secure peace in Gaza or elsewhere. In Ukraine, in Sudan, in Libya. No one country can bully the whole community of the human family. Indonesia's complete support for the two-state solution in Palestine.
Tak kalah menariknya di antara beberapa presiden pun pandai berbahasa Inggris. Contohnya, seperti wawancara beberapa mantan presiden kita ini. Dari mantan Presiden Soekarno, presiden pertama RI, hingga presiden lainnya ini lancar diwawancarai. Akan tetapi, ada yang menyerah saat diwawancarai menggunakan bahasa Inggris hingga dilempar ke pendampingnya.
350 years about. No, look here. Our experiences were not very agreeable.
I said in the United Nations several years ago that imperialism is not yet dead, it is only dying.
That Indonesians enjoy to this day. How do you think this has helped to shape Indonesian society today?
The Indonesian society has opened the door of freedom. And it is really a necessity to get that in a global society of the world. Yeah, globalization is an approach to freedom, of the people, and you cannot isolate yourself within that global process.
What's your message, first of all to Parliament, but also to the rest of the world about your future?
My message is that don't be misled by what seems to be the winning side. Yeah, no. I will never step down. I will be in the office. And, you see, I'm a Muslim, but if I'm not a Muslim, then I can bet with you. I will be here until the end of my term.
G20 colleagues have discussed in London about the risks of US and other protectionism.
All leaders agree that protectionism is not our choice. It's not a solution for this global endeavor in overcoming the crisis. In my view, we should let our trade and investment open, and we have to actually generate the real economy in these circumstances. So I don't believe that protectionism is bringing good things for all of us. So I oppose, of course, also protectionism.
In Indonesia's infrastructure program, and what are some of the reasons that it's been slow? Do you still believe in public-private partnerships? Thank you very much.
Thank you. I want to test my minister. Please answer the question. But don't speak longer than my speech. Thank you, Mr. President, Mr. Talbot, Mr. Chairman, ladies and gentlemen.
This is great.
Untuk menilai seseorang pernah mengenyam pendidikan tinggi atau tidak pun kita bisa tahu. Bahkan kita bisa lihat dari seseorang yang lulus SMP pun bahasa Inggrisnya mahir.
Realized that there had been 2 decades, Indonesian fisheries household decreased almost 50%, and the export of Indonesia, with as the owner of second largest archipelagic country in the world,
like to officially nominate as the invention of the century. The selfie has changed the world. It has now evolved into the Wi-Fi and the vlog. We walk the talk, not only talk the talk. We walk the talk, not only talk the talk.
Please, go ahead. Please, go ahead. Yeah.
Dear old friends, I'm happy to report that we may not get it.
Can't understand a word he's saying.
No.
And do you think that it's going to be more possible?
With the room of dialogue, with good communication, I think we will have the solution.
Has there been good communication?
Saya tahu ada yang mengatakan saya ini bodoh, pelongo-pelongo, tidak tahu apa-apa, Fir'aun, tolol. Ya enggak apa-apa. Sebagai pribadi saya menerima saja. Tapi yang membuat saya sedih, budaya santun dan budi pekerti luhur bangsa ini kok kelihatannya mulai hilang. Kebebasan dan demokrasi digunakan untuk melampiaskan kedengkian dan fitnah. Polusi di wilayah budaya ini sangat melukai keluhuran budi pekerti bangsa Indonesia yang besar.
Nah begitulah kita sudah melihat dan mendengarkan wawancara dan pidato bahasa Inggris mantan presiden kita ya, beberapa mantan presiden dan Presiden Prabowo Subianto yang bahasa Inggrisnya sangat luar biasa saat pidato di sidang PBB ya kemarin ya. Bahkan Pak Prabowo, Pak Presiden ini mendapatkan tepuk tangan yang sangat meriah dan mendapatkan pujian dari negara-negara lain, dan kita bisa menilai bagaimana kualitas mantan presiden kita dalam berbahasa Inggris ternyata sangat luar biasa semua ya teman-teman ya. Memang mantan-mantan presiden kita ini sangat tidak mengecewakan sekali ya, bahasa Inggrisnya sangat luar biasa bagusnya ya teman-teman ya.